Hi Jen and Attorney Jurco. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch my video here. I hope you find it really interesting and can see the huge potential for your website. Look, I know my original email was about Facebook marketing, but as I did a little bit more research on your site, I thought, wow, there is just outstanding potential for getting organic traffic, which is free and converts better from Google. So I had a look at your website, and I looked at your location down here in St. Clairsville, Ohio. And so I've Googled that, right? And I can see that it's a very small town. That if I just search for attorney, I can see that you don't even show up here. And the competition is not very steep here. In fact, Thomas Law Office, they don't even have a website. So outranking those guys would not be hard. Being in this Google Maps box is where you really need to be. And outranking things like Yelp, Find a Lawyer, Yellow Pages, White Pages is no trouble whatsoever. So there's huge potential for this keyword. And so I picked these guys here, Michael J. Shanine, and had a look at their website. And it's a pretty terrible website. So that just shows you, well, the potential. And let me show you the sort of traffic that they're getting to their website. So if we look at here, we can see your website. And you rank for 25 keywords, but unfortunately not in the top 10 for any of them. So that's not getting you any traffic. So we can see here like Belmont County Court of Common Pleas. You rank number 66. There's 140 searches per month. Bankruptcy Court, Southern District of Ohio, another 140 searches a month. You're number 91. No one's going down to the 9th page of Google. So even here, lawyers in St. Clairsville, Ohio, there's 70 searches a month for that keyword. And, you're in position 30. And to tell you the truth, the other huge advantage that you have here for some of these keywords, like lawyers in St. Clairsville, Ohio, the cost per click, it's set at 0, which means you could set up Google AdWords, the paid search in Google. Like you can see here, that there's no ads that came up. So you could instantly be on there with AdWords and pay very, very little for each click. But we're here to talk about SEO because that's free traffic, and it actually converts a lot better because you're receiving Google's authority, their trust. Google's designed to bring you the best search results, and so people trust those search results. They trust them a lot more than ads, and so they convert better too. But let's have a look at these guys here. So this is that other website that I talked about. And so they're only ranking for 14 keywords, which is a lot less than yours, but they're getting 130 visitors a day because they're in the top 10 for those keywords. And, if they were to buy that traffic from Google AdWords, it would cost them $81 a day. That's not a lot for lawyer keywords. It's really quite little. But you can see that they're getting around 130 visitors consistently each month, which is not a bad start. It's not great, but it's not a bad start. And from such a terrible looking website, it's pretty good, really. So next I want to show you a little secret about how Google works. So, Google can't tell that you're the best lawyer in Ohio. They can't use your services. They can just tell what everyone else is talking about and who's they're linking to. And so this is a kind of a diagram outlining the authority map of Google. So the more authority a website has, and the more relevance a website has, and the more they're linking to you, the better you'll rank. So it's really important that you get your website loading fast, looking great to convert well, have all of the relevant content on your site, and then building authority, building trusted links. And so if we look at your website here, we can see that it's got a trust flow of 4, which is quite small. And that's because you've got 6 referring domains. So that's 6 different websites are linking to your website, which is not a lot. Where the competitor here, they have a trust flow of 11. And 4 to 11 might not sound like a lot, but this is a logarithmic scale. It's not linear, so every step gets exponentially harder. And that means because they have 70 domains linking to them. So they've got a lot more trust and authority. So building your trust and authority, adding great content to your website, and you'd easily outperform these guys and look at their 130 visitors a day. You could shoot well past them. So who am I anyway? Well, my name's Chris Reed. I'm the CEO and founder of Ardor SEO, and we specialize in working with companies like yours, law firms all around the nation, Australia, the UK, the US, all around the world. And we help rank their website, generate thousands of more visitors each and every month. Visitors that are searching for your products and services, looking for your help. So my only real question for you today is if you'd like me to put together a strategy to show you exactly how we can do that and the huge potential for your website. All you need to do is click the button directly below this video. It'll pop up my calendar. Just find a date and time that suits you, log it in, and we can have a chat. So Jen and attorney Jurco, I hope you found that interesting and useful, and I hope you'll be booking in a call really soon. So anyway, thank you very much for your time and have a great day. Bye-bye.